Hi class, Miss Chen here with another online art class. So today we're going to learn how to draw a simple lotus flower, or in other words, a water lily. So today you're just going to watch the simple tutorial and answer the Google form afterwards. You are not doing the tutorial, alright? The tutorial is just for you to watch and answer the questions, and then in the middle of the week I'm going to post the extra credit if you want to draw the flower. Alright, so as you can see here, a lotus flower has many layers of petals. Alright, and in total today we're going to draw 23 petals, but if you follow along with me, it's really not going to be that difficult. Alright, and so let's go ahead and watch the tutorial. Now, from the beginning, you're just figuring out where you want to place your flower. I'm going to place it towards the bottom. This first shape I'm drawing is petal number 1, and it is a water drop shape. In this drawing, I'm just labeling the numbers, but when you're drawing your flower for the extra credit, if you want to do it, do not number it. You do not have to put these numbers. I'm just showing you so you can follow along with how many petals it takes to draw this flower. Alright, for those of you just doing the Google form, just pay attention to how many flower petals there are and what kind of shapes I'm using and techniques. Alright, so now we're moving on to the bottom petals. That is petal 5 and 6, and they are also just this long pointed petal shape that resembles a water drop. Alright, petal number 7 is a little more different. It's just a half circle with a squiggly bit. And now we're moving on to petal 8. Take your time if you're going to draw this later on, but you see how I'm building layers of these petals. These petals usually come right on behind each other, right? They're just this pointed shape that's kind of curved, all right? And I'm going to move my thing down so you can see what I'm doing. Just the further you get back, the longer the petals are going to be, all right? So at this point, try to follow this another curved line in the background, this kind of rainbow shape. Your petals should all fall along this rainbow curved line. And as you can see here, the background petals are even smaller. They get a little easier after you get the bigger petals done. And they're just kind of these pointed curved lines. All right, and that's petal 20. And this is petal 21. 22, and just follow this curved line you kind of drew in the background. 22 and 23. All right, and now as you can see, we completed a lotus flower, a water lily, and it is in this shape that is like a half circle, has 23 petals, and in the middle at the center is where you see these little details of these stringy little bits. Alright, so that is the end of the video. Now I just want you to go ahead and click the Google Forms named questions after video and complete the simple Google form. The Google form is just going to ask you a bit about the tutorial. And on Wednesday, I will be posting the extra credit where if you want to, you can follow the video again and try to draw the water lily. That is not mandatory, all right? The assignment for assignment 5 is just to watch this tutorial and fill out the Google form afterwards. All right, so I'll see you next time. Bye, Miss Chen out.